If you're a Premiere Pro, Final Cut 10, or even a DaVinci Resolve user, but you've only flirted with the idea of color grading and not sure how to take it to the next level, then get super pumped. Next Monday, I'm gonna be doing a live training where I'm gonna show you how to create high-end cinematic looks with ease. I'm also gonna break down how to properly set up a node tree. And by signing up for the training, you're gonna be automatically entered for a chance to win my freelance colorist masterclass. There's gonna be 2 winners that I'm gonna be announcing during the live webinar. This is gonna be jam-packed with practical advice. I've been fortunate enough to work in the industry for over a decade, and we're gonna be ending it with a live Q&A. You get to ask your questions and get tailor-made answers to your particular problems. Are you guys super excited? Link is in the description. Sign up right now, share it with friends who might be interested, and I will see you in the live training.